If you don't like endless house hunting but still want your dream home, then check out Conroe's move-in ready options today. Nestled in the Houston metropolitan area, Conroe is booming with opportunities and charm. Imagine moving into a brand new modern home without the hassle of renovations. Whether you're eyeing a cozy 3-bedroom in Stylecraft, North Houston for $253,200 or a luxurious 5-bedroom Toll Brothers masterpiece for just over $1 million, Conroe has it all. Why Conroe? It's not just about the homes, it's about the lifestyle. Enjoy top-notch healthcare, excellent schools, and a strong job market. Plus, with abundant parks, lakes, and recreational activities, there's always something fun for everyone. And the best part? Conroe offers competitive home prices you won't find elsewhere in the Houston area. Picture yourself living in Harper's Preserve with spacious lots and modern amenities, starting at $358,170. Or maybe a sprawling 4,330 square feet home with custom features for $744,760 is more your style. Whatever your preference, we've got you covered. Ready to make the move? Contact Manucheca today to learn more about these incredible move-in ready homes and start your journey to a better lifestyle in Conroe. Don't wait. Your dream home is just a call away. Reach out now and let Conroe welcome you home.